In today's video, let me show you how to fix the Facebook group cannot post. So if you're having issues posting to a particular group that you have joined within Facebook, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, the first thing that you'll need to ensure is that the approval that you sent for joining the group has been approved. If you still see the pending option being displayed, that simply means you have not yet been accepted. So in this situation, you just need to wait out until you are accepted by the admin. Also, if you have violated some sort of community guidelines or the rules of a particular Facebook group as well, in this situation as well, the group admin will remove you from posting anything within this particular group. So if you have done something like this previously, this might be the exact issue that you're facing. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you and this is not the issue of members, then what you need to do is also ensure that you have not tried to post the same message again and again. If you have tried to spam the post section within a particular group, then in this situation you need to wait out 24 to 48 hours before the cooldown expires. And these are the few steps that you can try out, and likely one of these steps will help to solve your issues. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna see you in the next one.